What's up, guys? It's October 1st, 2024. October, I love Halloween. That's my favorite holiday. Halloween. This is Halloween. I like Halloween. It is fun. Halloween is fun. I haven't been out for Halloween since I started trading. So maybe I'll skip this year and go out next year, but I still like Halloween. Finally, there's that. I think a lot of people have been looking for a bearish day. It wasn't the most bearish day. We went range bound. We were actually range bound for like 2 hours for a while. 4 hours. It's weird how it feels like a bear day, but then you look back at it and we were ranging for 4 hours. But we could still catch bull leg, sell leg. I think selling's easier. It's a bearish market regime. Daily, 45-minute, 2 seconds. Gap up, continuation, pullback, and then breakout bar. We broke out pretty far past this bar's high, but then we've had bad follow through. We've been channeling higher. We had 3 legs. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. Bulls are not making new high, lower high. Is that lower high? Yeah, right, higher. Yeah, lower high. Double top, lower high, and sell. They didn't really close below yesterday's low, so that's not the best. Give me 2 seconds here. I keep thinking I'm about to sneeze, and then so I mute the mic and I don't feel like I'm gonna sneeze, and then I unmute the mic and feel like I'm gonna sneeze. So yesterday's low was 76.50. Today's close was 76.50. Okay, so yesterday's low was 76.50. Today's close, looking at the close, was 807. So we closed above yesterday's low, but that's not what the price action looks like. Why does that not line up? Okay, so this is yesterday's low, and then this is today's high. Wait, am I tripping here? September 30th. Let me just do this the easy way. Okay. Bar one from yesterday. That's the low. That's what I was thinking. We closed below it. So why is the numbers weird? Is this yesterday's low? Oh, okay. I see what's going on here. This is yesterday's low. And then we... Oh, wait. Today did close. Why is... Okay, the numbers might be off, but the price action makes sense now. That's the low we were looking at. Okay. So yeah, we didn't close below yesterday's low. Not the best for the bears. The bears wanted a good close today, and then that could be a signal, maybe a scalp into the EMA. 45-minute chart. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. Or maybe it's leg one, pull back, leg two. Bulls have a leg one, pull back, leg two. But now we have to ask ourselves, is this bull leg on the 45-minute chart strong enough to get its own second leg? So if we're at the 50% level of this bar, okay, so now it's gonna be interesting to see what happens with the price action. Is this bar strong enough to get its own second leg, or do we rally reverse? Do we rally keep going? But I do think this is strong to get something, and I do think this is also strong enough to get something. Okay, let's get into it. Been rambling a little too long here. Bar one, strong breakout, strong bear bar breaking out past many bars from yesterday, and it's breaking out below the higher time frame EMA and the lower time frame and the 5-minute EMA. Good follow through. Bar two, bar three also good follow through, but there's starting to be some tails. Bar four takes them tails out. It's 5, 10, 15 on the 15-minute chart. This is one big breakout bar, and it's closing on its low. The high is here, the low is here. Should get continuation. 5, 10, 15. This cluster of price action can't make a circle. This cluster of price action would be a pullback. Bar 6 and 7, first reversal after strong breakout. We can usually see continuation, and we see that with 7, 8, 9. That was pretty much my trade of the day. Leg 1, pullback leg 2. I took a small scalp in this price action, took a scalp here, and I took a loss here. So look at the flags, leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3. The first pullback's pretty shallow. Second pullback actually becomes a wedge top. It's deeper. Bulls are rallying. Bar 11 was strong enough to get its own leg 2, and it did. 14 and 15 was strong enough to get its own leg 2, and it did with 18. It's kind of a wedge top. We could say it's a triangle. But we have to know it's breakout mode. And if you think about momentum, how it works in a breakout is we have a direction. So in this case, it's down. Then we go sideways. And then the inertia from the previous direction typically will shoot us out here. So that's kind of what we see right here. We go down and then we go sideways. And the inertia from the previous sell-off, strong enough for its own leg 2, got its own leg 2 here. You can even argue 15, 16 is strong enough for its own leg 2. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, sell vacuum, or range bound. Bulls are making money. 21 looks like follow through. You might be saying, oh yeah, we're going for a measured move, but it's late in the day. It's late in the trend. It's not late in the day. It's climactic, leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3, and the legs are getting smaller. If you short this and you see 22, 23, I hope you start to get out before 24. If not, it's okay. Just get out. Another opportunity will be later in the day. It's still early. A lot of selling pressure. Multiple gaps are open. Bulls get a strong rally. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2. I actually got trapped right here. Bulls get a strong rally. I think this is strong enough for its own leg 2. But this whole price action is also strong enough for its own leg 2. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2. Wedge bottom. Double bottom. We can even see a fractal. We can see an implied leg. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. There's so much selling pressure. Every time price became above the EMA, it sold off. It looks like a good rally, but if you start to see the bear bar stacking up, I'd get out and wait again. This is also a major trend line break. So we have the major trend line break. We wait for a retest, and then we can rally. That's what happened here. I missed this whole rally. I wasn't too quick enough to catch on. I bought this bar, and then I just hit out for like a couple points. So where are we? So yeah. First gap bars above the EMA sold off, retesting the lows, leg 1, pullback, leg 2. This is actually a higher low from 22. 48 strong bar, I think it's safe enough to get out shorts. 50, testing the 50% level, bar 49. Excuse me, I said 48. 49, strong bull bar. 50, testing the 50% level. And now we have a bull gap here. Bear gaps are starting to close. All these bear gaps have been closing. All the bull gaps have been closing. Bear gaps are closing, so we're range bound. But now we have a new bull gap. And then we have another gap here. There's also a gap here, but it's a weak gap. 51 breaks out above the EMA. 52, bad follow through. 53, 54. That's not characteristics of a strong trend. The tail on 55 right here is an implied channel. So if you see this tail, just know there is some sort of profit taking or two-sided trading taking place. We have a big down, big up, big down, big up. I think it's safe to say we go sideways. This was also tradable. I think it was harder. A lot of tails if you got a short 72, or you can short here and scalp out. But I think there's enough opportunity for a day to make money over there on this side of the chart. Let's just go over the gaps real quick. We've been going over leg 2. I'm focusing a lot more on micro channels and leg 2s. Gaps, okay. We have a gap here from yesterday's price to today. Yesterday's bar 81 to today's bar 2. Bang, 2 gaps that open. Characteristics for a trend. That's great. But the tail on 2 and 3 kind of suck. Another gap that gets closed. Gaps are already closing. This is the first reversal, 7, 8. That leads to a leg lower. I think bar 7 was the highest probable trade today. I think a lot of shorts were highly probable until we got into this bull channel. We have a bear trend, now we have a bull channel. Once we see an opposite channel and a trend, just know we're range bound. Even if the channel continues to go in your direction, it's a leg in a range. So you can see how we went range bound. the gap started closing. That's context for the market is changing. Gaps staying open. So when gaps are open, we're trending. When gaps are closing, it's converting to a range. And then become targets. So these targets that I'm drawing, these gaps I'm drawing in become targets for the bears, because why are they gaps? They're gaps show that limit order traders or just traders in general are trapped. So traders that wanted to short the first touch of the EMA had limit orders set above 19, some with the low of 16. This was laced with limit orders and they got trapped, and that shows that gap. They eventually do short here and then get out for break even. Bears that buy here buy more lower, they get out for break even, and that causes a leg lower and an already bearish day. Small gap here. So you definitely don't want to see a gap in a bear channel. So let us know. Leg 1, pull back leg 2. Bulls are making money. Safe to get out. This could become a second leg trap. You short 48. Think we're range bound. Second leg traps are pretty common. This was a kind of a second leg trap if you look at it from here. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, climactic rally. Or you could say leg 1, pull back. I bought that. Get trapped, second leg trap. Because it was a vacuum test. When we're range bound, vacuum tests look like breakouts. This was a vacuum test. I'm trading very small, so I'm still learning. Not profitable. If any of you guys are new, just know I'm trading sim right now. I'm trading eval accounts with prop firms. Take that for what you want. Yeah, I'm focused on catching breakouts and second legs. Let me know if you guys learned anything. If you didn't, I apologize. I hope you guys did. I hope you guys are studying. Mark up your charts. Let me know how you guys are trading. Hope you guys had a good one. Stay safe. It's Halloween. Well, it's October 1st, but it's the month of Halloween. All right, have a good one. Bye.